Projective Geometry, Volume 1, by Oswald, Veblen, and John Wesley Young.
Chapter 4, Harmonic Constructions and the Fundamental Theorem of Projective Geometry. Section 39, Exercises. 1. There is one and only one projectivity of a one-dimensional form, leaving invariant one and only one element O and transforming a given other element A to an element B. 2. Two projective ranges on skew lines are always perspective. 3. Prove Corollary 5 of Theorem 27 without using the notion of involution. 4. If MNAB is projective with MNA'B', then MNAA' is projective with MNBB'. 5. If P is any point of the axis of homology of two projective ranges, the pencil A is projective with pencil B. Then the projectivity P pencil A projective with P pencil B is an involution. Dualize. 6. Call the faces of one tetrahedron, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, and the opposite vertices A1, A2, A3, A4, respectively. Similarly, the faces and vertices of another tetrahedron, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, beta 4, and B1, B2, B3, B4. If A1, A2, A3, A4 lie on beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, beta 4, respectively, and B1 lies on alpha 1, and B2 on alpha 2, and B3 on alpha 3, then B4 lies on alpha 4. Thus, each of the two tetrahedra related in this fashion is both inscribed and circumscribed to the other. 7. Prove the theorem of Desargues from Chapter 2 by the principle of projectivity. 8. Given a triangle ABC and a point A', show how to construct 2 points B'C' such that the triangles ABC and A'B'C' are perspective from 4 different centers. 9. If 2 triangles A1B1C1 and A2B2C2 are perspective, the 3 points A1B2, A2B1 is equal to C3, and A1C2, A2C1 equal B3. B1C2, B2C1 equal A3. If not collinear, form a triangle perspective with the first 2, and the 3 centers of perspectivity are collinear. 10. A. If pi is a projectivity in a pencil of points A on a line A with invariant points A1, A2, and if L and M are the pencils of points on 2 lines L, M through A1, A2, respectively, show by the methods of Chapter 3 that there exist 3 points S1, S2, S3 such that we have A is perspective with center S1 to L, which is perspective with center S2 to M, which is perspective with center S3 to A', where pi of A is equal to A', that S1, S2, A2 are collinear, and that S2, S3, A1 are collinear. B. Using the fundamental theorem, show that there exists on the line S1, A2 a point S, such that we have A is perspective with center S1 to L, which is perspective with center S to A'. C. Show that B could be used as an assumption of projectivity instead of assumption P, i.e., P could be replaced by, if pi is a projectivity with fixed points A1, A2, giving pi of A equal to A' in a pencil of points A, and L is a pencil of points on a line L through A1, there exist 2 points S1, S2 such that A is perspective with center S1 to L, which is perspective with center S2 to A'. 11. Show that assumption P could be replaced by the corollary of Theorem 17. 12. show that assumption P could be replaced by the following. If we have a projectivity in a pencil of points defined by the perspectivities, the pencil X is perspective with center S1 to the pencil L, which is perspective with center S2 to the pencil X prime, and the pencil M is the pencil of points on the line S1, S2. There exist on the base of pencil L 2 points S1 prime, S2 prime, such that we have also the pencil X is perspective with center S1 prime to the pencil M, which is perspective with center S2 prime to the pencil X prime.
Projective Geometry, Volume 1. This book was written by Oswald Veblen and John Wesley Young. It was published by Blaisdell Publishing Company, London, 1910, and is now in the public domain. It is read by Jim Renholt, with programming and illustration by Jim Renholt, 2019. Thank you for listening.